How do I make extra money? I'm going to tell you 6 easy to get started ways to make extra money in 2023. Maybe you've already reduced your spending or you don't want to reduce your spending and you need more income. You are going to be so shocked by how easy it is to get started. And number 4 is super easy, more easy than what you think. My name is Jackie Elias and I am the Futurebound CEO, where we help you get mortgage and financially free. We have online courses, mortgage advice, and we have one-on-one mortgage debt reduction services that help you to make the best of your life, live the life of fulfillment that you want with the money that you have now and the time that you have, so you can live the life in retirement that you want. If you want more about us, like, subscribe, follow, and get in touch with us so we can see how we can help you. Let's get into today's content. So number 1, sell unused items. Go on Trade Me or talk to your friends and family who put on Facebook Marketplace. All your items, look around. I'm sure you have stuff that you can sell that you don't really use, or maybe you've used once a year and you can sell it. Some people like to do clothing, electronics, all kinds of things that you have around that you can sell to make some extra money. Some people like to turn that into a regular thing, like when you sell clothes. So if you like to buy clothes that are maybe slightly more expensive, but you like a quick turnaround in your clothes, you can sell some clothes. Then that can help you have some extra income for whatever you want. For many people, they want to buy more clothes. Number 2 is sell your time and serve, like create a service. So maybe you have a skill, you can freelance. There's Freelancer, Fiverr, Upwork. There's all kinds of online platforms that you can say, hey, look, I have a skill. I can freelance this skill on my after hours, on the weekends, where I can make a little bit of extra money. Similar to number 2 is to sell your handiwork, right? It may not be a service that you can do for somebody, but it is something that you can make. You can make candles, you can make woodwork, you can make all kinds of things that you can then sell. Again, jump on Marketplace, there's Facebook groups, jump on Trade Me, where you can sell your items that you can make. Number 4, this is easy to get started, easier than you think. A lot of people like, oh no, but get a boarder or a flatmate, right? Jump on Trade Me. There are some specific services that you can find a flatmate or a boarder and rent out that room or 2 that you have, and just make sure you have a rental agreement. You can get rental agreements online. You can talk to a lawyer about getting a rental agreement drawn up, but there's rental agreements online that you can just get customized and have the person sign, and they are legit as well, as long as you got it from a legit provider. So yeah, you can increase your income by hundreds of dollars a week by getting a flatmate or a boarder. Number 5 is get a part-time job. This can actually be fun. If your full-time job is sitting at a desk, maybe you want to run Zumba classes, or if you're a certified instructor, or maybe you want to do something that's a little bit more fun based on your hobby, that you can get a job that's going to be part-time in the evenings or the weekends, that are just going to be something that's fun, extra money for you. Number 6 is, if you've been at the same job for a long time, you're likely underpaid. So maybe polish up that resume and just get a higher paying job. It can be in your same industry. You maybe want to apply for a promotion where you're at, or look around for another job. Now, I'm not trying to tell everyone to leave their jobs, but for many people, this is something that can significantly increase their income. We've just had somebody who recently got a $44,000 increase in their income because that's exactly what she did. She looked around and said, I can get more at another job. $44,000 a year more. That's amazing, life-changing income increase. So if you liked any of these 6 things, 6 ways where you can increase your income, and you're saying, actually, that sounds good, but I want more help. I want a more look at my situation. I have a mortgage. I need a way to pay it off. I want mortgage and financial freedom. Then book a 15-minute chat with us so we can look over just a big picture of your situation and let you know how we can help.
For more financial tips, advice, and education, subscribe to us on YouTube, and don't forget to hit that notification bell.